You must ensure that whatever you're creating is an outstanding product or service. It has to be truly exceptional. Reflecting on what I mentioned earlier, if you're a new business, unless you're breaking into an entirely new market or industry, an untapped sector, for instance, then you have more freedom to experiment. The standards for your product or service may be lower. However, if you're stepping into a space where established competitors are already dominant, your offering needs to be significantly better than theirs. Take the Tesla Pi phone, for instance. It isn't just another smartphone, it's a sneak peek into the future of mobile tech. But what makes it so unique? Can it really challenge the iPhone's reign? What if we told you it includes features that no other phones have even thought about offering? With jaw-dropping performance, incredible battery life, and tight integration with the Tesla ecosystem, this phone is changing what we expect from our devices. Want to know what sets it apart? Be part of the Auto Fusion crew and help us hit 16735 subscribers. We bring you the latest leaks, epic showdowns, and expert opinions on the future of smartphones. Hit that subscribe button and stay ahead of the crowd. Now, let's dive in. First, the display. The Tesla Pi phone is expected to feature an ultra-bright, crystal-clear micro-LED display that offers incredibly sharp visuals, deep blacks, and excellent energy efficiency. This innovative screen promises an immersive experience whether you're gaming, streaming videos, or working outdoors. With a 240 Hz refresh rate, the display ensures smooth scrolling and ultra-responsive gaming, taking mobile display technology to new heights. Additionally, it excels in outdoor visibility, remaining clear and vibrant even under direct sunlight. This feature makes it perfect for those who spend time outdoors or in bright settings. When compared to industry leaders like the iPhone 16 Pro Max and Samsung Galaxy S25, the Tesla Pi phone's display could offer some substantial advantages. The iPhone 16 Pro Max is expected to come with an LTPO OLED display featuring a 120 Hz refresh rate and ProMotion technology, ensuring smooth animation. However, it consumes more power compared to micro-LED. On the other hand, the Samsung Galaxy S25 is likely to feature a dynamic AMOLED 2X display that has a 144 Hz refresh rate and AI-driven brightness optimization for better visual clarity. While Samsung's displays are among the best available, AMOLED screens still suffer from potential burn-in over time, a problem that micro-LED technology aims to solve. Next, let's talk about performance. The Tesla Pi phone will have a custom Tesla chip designed for multitasking, gaming, and AI-driven tasks. Its high-performance ARM cores optimize both speed and efficiency, ensuring that everything runs smoothly, even under heavy loads. A dedicated GPU will provide console-level gaming, high-quality streaming, and AI-enhanced camera processing. The phone will also feature integrated AI and machine learning engines that power predictive text, voice recognition, real-time image enhancements, and Tesla vehicle integration. This creates a deeply interconnected ecosystem for better power efficiency. Tesla's adaptive power management technology dynamically adjusts performance to reduce battery drain, extending usage times. In comparison, the iPhone 16 Pro Max features Apple's Bionic chip, which is fast and efficient, but it operates within Apple's closed ecosystem, limiting its compatibility with non-Apple devices. While powerful, the iPhone's chip consumes more battery during intense tasks. Tesla's chip, on the other hand, benefits from advanced thermal management, ensuring consistent performance and longer battery life. When it comes to battery life, the Tesla Pi phone is designed to last a full day on a single charge, even with heavy use like gaming. Its smart power management system adjusts energy consumption depending on the task, conserving power during lighter activities like browsing, while still delivering top performance for more demanding tasks. This system boosts battery life without sacrificing performance. The Pi phone will likely use Tesla's advanced lithium-ion battery technology, similar to what powers their electric vehicles. These batteries are known for their high energy density, long lifespan, and efficient power management, allowing more energy to be stored in a smaller space. Tesla's 4,680 battery cells, which are lighter, more durable, and cost-effective compared to traditional lithium-ion cells, are expected to be used in the Pi phone. These next-generation battery cells offer improved energy efficiency, higher capacity, and faster charging speeds. By adopting this cutting-edge technology, the Pi phone can last up to 20 hours on a single charge, even with power-intensive tasks like gaming, making it one of the most energy-efficient smartphones on the market. In comparison, the iPhone 16 Pro Max offers up to 18 hours of use during video streaming and regular activities, while the Samsung Galaxy S25 provides around 16 to 17 hours, particularly under demanding use like gaming. Tesla's batteries also offer exceptional durability, retaining 80% of their capacity after 1,000 charge cycles, far surpassing the lifespan of typical smartphone batteries that degrade after around 500 cycles. How important is battery life to you when choosing a smartphone? With the Tesla Pi phone's 20-hour battery life, could it make a significant difference? Share your thoughts with us. Moving on to fast charging. The Tesla Pi phone features advanced fast charging technology, likely incorporating Tesla supercharger tech or something similar, to deliver significantly faster charging times than traditional smartphones. With enhanced power delivery capabilities and an optimized system, the Pi phone can charge to 50% in just 15 to 20 minutes, making it perfect for quick recharges during breaks or when you're on the move. This rapid charging system ensures you spend less time plugged in and more time using your phone. A standout feature is the potential for solar charging, leveraging Tesla's expertise in renewable energy. If this feature is integrated, users could charge their phones using solar power when outdoors, reducing their reliance on traditional charging methods. Given that Tesla's solar panels can convert up to 22% of sunlight into usable energy, the Pi phone could benefit from solar charging, especially during outdoor activity. This capability would not only make the phone more sustainable, but could also serve as a backup option when regular charging isn't available. Compared to the iPhone 16 Pro Max and Samsung Galaxy S25, the Tesla Pi phone's solar charging feature stands out. The iPhone 16 Pro Max supports 20W fast charging, allowing users to reach 50% charge in 30 minutes, which is slower than the Pi phone's expected 30W charging speed. The Samsung Galaxy S25 offers 45W fast charging, faster than the iPhone's capabilities, but it lacks solar charging, a feature that gives the Pi phone a significant edge in terms of sustainability and long-term battery efficiency. The Tesla Pi phone also brings advanced security features to the table, setting a new benchmark for smartphone security. It will likely include a revolutionary capacitive touch unlock system, unlike traditional biometric methods. The entire frame of the phone will be equipped with capacitive touch sensors, enabling 360 DG biometric recognition. This system will detect grip patterns, fingerprints, palm prints, and grip force using AI-driven authentication that adapts to the user's hand movements. By continuously improving its recognition system, it ensures maximum security while providing a seamless unlocking experience. Beyond biometrics, the Pi phone is expected to feature 256-bit AES encryption, one of the most secure encryption methods available, to protect financial transactions, documents, and personal messages from cyber threats. Additionally, Tesla may incorporate blockchain-based security to offer decentralized, tamper-proof data protection. This would allow users to store and transmit data securely without relying on a central authority, making it virtually impossible for third parties to alter or intercept the information. When compared to competitors, the Pi phone offers the iPhone 16 Pro Max uses Face ID and Touch ID limited to facial recognition and fingerprints on certain areas of the device. The Samsung Galaxy S25 offers fingerprint scanning, facial recognition, and Knox security encryption, but it lacks blockchain integration. In contrast, the Pi phone's 360 DG capacitive touch system makes it much harder to spoof, while its blockchain-based security could offer unparalleled privacy and user control. What do you think about this next-level security feature? We'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments. The Tesla Pi phone also delivers an optimized software experience with AI-powered interfaces, long-term software updates, and seamless Tesla ecosystem integration. Unlike the iPhone 16 Pro Max with iOS 18 and the Samsung Galaxy S25 with One UI 7, Tesla's adapted user interface evolves in real time. Its Dojo AI improves navigation speed by 30%, and its NLP-powered command assistant processes multi-step commands more intuitively than Siri or Bixby. Tesla's long-term software support ensures at least 5 years of updates, surpassing Apple's 6 years and Samsung's 4 years of OS updates and 5 years of security patches. Tesla's self-repairing AI algorithms reduce degradation by 40% over 5 years, avoiding the slowdowns that plague many Android devices. Furthermore, the Pi phone integrates seamlessly into the Tesla ecosystem, allowing for instant control of Tesla vehicles, climate settings, autopilot, and charging. With Starlink connectivity, it also provides global internet access, a feature that neither Apple nor Samsung offers. Last but not least, the Tesla Pi phone introduces a quality camera system that includes a disappearing camera feature. This system uses electrically tinting glass that shifts from opaque to transparent within milliseconds, providing a seamless look and lens protection. When activated, the camera reveals a quad-camera setup designed for professional-grade photography. The 18-megapixel primary camera excels in astrophotography and low-light performance, with phase detection autofocus and optical image stabilization ensuring sharp, clear photos. The 12-megapixel ultra-wide lens supports super steady video for cinematic shots, while a 12-megapixel telephoto lens captures detailed portraits. The 12-megapixel periscope telephoto lens enables extreme long-range photography. Tesla's AI-powered computational photography improves low-light performance by 60%, surpassing the iPhone 16 Pro Max's Deep Fusion and the Samsung Galaxy S25's nightography. Its machine learning scene optimization enhances color accuracy and detail, adjusting settings dynamically based on movement, facial recognition, and object detection. Tesla's gimbal-like stabilization reduces motion blur by 80%, outperforming the iPhone 16 Pro Max's action mode and the Galaxy S25's super steady mode. With AI enhancements and Starlink connectivity for real-time uploads and Tesla vehicle synchronization, the Pi phone could completely revolutionize smartphone photography. Which features are you most excited about? Let us know in the comments. All in all, the Tesla Pi phone is a game-changer, blending cutting-edge technology with seamless Tesla integration. From its stunning micro-LED display and AI-powered performance to solar charging and advanced security, it's built for the future. With Starlink connectivity and direct Tesla vehicle control, it outpaces competitors like the iPhone 16 Pro Max and the Galaxy S25. The future of smartphones has arrived. Are you ready?